Ask anyone here what we love most about Barrie, and you'll find our campus near the top of the list. At 27,000 acres, it's the largest campus in the world. As expansive and inspired as the vision of our founder, Martha Barrie believed in the education of the whole person, grounded in the pursuit of knowledge and practical skills, in personal growth, and in service to others. The core of the Barrie experience is more than an education. It's a way of looking at the world and the opportunities it has to offer, then imagining what we can offer to the world in return. We think this place is pretty special, and we're thrilled that you're spending some time with us to learn why. It starts in the classroom, with small classes led by professors who are experts in their field, challenging you to pursue answers to complex problems. But more than that, they're experts in supporting you to be your best. No matter your major, you'll learn how to think and communicate with clarity and confidence, and you'll apply your learning in practical contexts over and over until it really sticks. Through our signature LifeWorks program, we guarantee 8 semesters of paid professional development opportunities, which means you'll earn money while learning on the job and developing into a dream employee, employer, or entrepreneur. Whatever your path, you'll graduate with the knowledge and skills that you get from spending years of learning the ropes and showing others how to climb them. Together, we'll create an individualized plan for your personal development through mentorship and service to others. We make a conscious commitment each day to build a community that supports you from the moment you step on campus. A network of professors, coaches, work supervisors, alumni, mentors, and peers will challenge and strengthen you, so you're prepared to make your mark in the world. All of this happens on a campus rich in resources and space, with newly renovated performance venues, a working farm, state-of-the-art labs, and opportunities for field research. And when you're ready to get away from it all, you can hike, walk, or bike 80+ miles of trail, hang a hammock, or simply take in the views of our very own mountains, streams, and woodlands. Prepared, confident, caring, disciplined, resilient, diverse, fearless, ready to take on the world. This is who we have always been and who we are constantly becoming. The best ideas have a way of sticking around, just like this Barrie education.